Hi guys, welcome back. So if you are running out of ideas on things to include in your portfolio which are specifically related to the legal field, here's a few ideas. So number one, building a law website. So even if you're not at a level where you can start your own firm, you'd like to get a head start in learning how to build websites, really nice interactive websites for other law firms and not just for yourself, so that when the time comes and you have your own firm, you have a foundation, you have a firm foundation in how to build websites. That's number one. Number two, technical text analysis programs to essentially check commercial contracts. So you can have a program which checks contracts to see that they're valid and highlighting sections where there are errors in contracts and things like that. Number three, automating due diligence tasks. That's another one. Summarizing witness evidence. That's another option. Computer contracts, basically code which can generate contracts. So you give it a template and then it can generate contracts. Plucking out common themes across thousands of documents. And then one I haven't put here is case management software.